Hi guys, welcome to another video. Today we are going to install Terminator in Ubuntu or any Linux platform. You can use this command and it will run fine. So basically we do have a terminal in Ubuntu, which is by default terminal, but problem is that whenever you do some development kind of work, when you need to run your node server and react server in multiple tabs, so in this terminal by default you will get this. When you right click on this space, you will get that new tab and you can manage these multiple tabs, which is good. But as a developer, do you think switching tabs and tabs is not good? Because it's a lengthy process and switching one forth which sometimes annoy you. So for that there is a software or application which is Terminator, which provide you to divide your one workspace in multiple tabs. So for instance, this is your workspace. It can divide horizontally or vertically, so as per your requirement. So how do we install that Terminator, and the functionality we get to know in upcoming videos. So we need some kind of command, so I make that file, text file. I will leave the link for this file in description box, or maybe I will leave that blog link for these commands. So first of all we need to run this sudo add-apt-repository so that it can add in our repository, and it will ask for your password. Just hit your password and it will take some time, depend upon your net speed. Just hit enter button and this will add this PPA in your repository file source. Just wait some time and it will install in your repository. As you can see that this repository is added. Now once you install that repo using that command, you need to update your operating system. Actually this will update all the new entries, so just run this command and it will update your system. Depending upon the packages, it will take time. Once this update, you just need to run this final command, sudo apt-get install terminator. So you can see that file is added. So now it's final command to install Terminator, and it will ask for permission, yes or no. You want to install, then hit Y, otherwise no, and it will take some time and it installed actually. So just wait for some time. Now it will unpackaging all the stuff which is required for that Terminator, and we will compare side by side what are the differences between the default terminal and that Terminator. So it's all fine. Now go on search menu and search for Terminator. Now it is there. Now side by side I just make this clear, and you will find that when you right click here, you will find these kind of option, and when you right click you will find extra options, which is like a split. You can split into two parts, again you can split three, multiple kind of things. So you can see that there is lots of options. So in one terminal I run my node, one in terminal I can run MongoDB and other services at the time of development. So this is the very nice application for the developers, so that they don't need to switch tabs and tabs. So like in normal terminal we need to switch from one tab to another tab, so which is sometimes annoy you. And in here you can find that there's a lots of option which help you to split your terminal as per your requirement, and you can run anything else you want. So this is how you can install this Terminator. But yeah, installation is fine, but how you can uninstall this Terminator? So you need to again search terminal, and let's I zoom it so that you can find better way. So for that uninstalling, you need to run this sudo get remove terminator, and you can see that I make that space. There is no problem, but it's good to run right command and hit your password, and it will ask for removing that package from your repositories. So it will take some time to remove that thing from your computer, so just wait for that. So now you can see that when the command which we run remove for Terminator is successfully executed. Now we need to run again that command so that all the files easily removed from there, and it will not also take so much time. And it actually if you just need to uninstall, you need to run that remove command, but if you also want to remove its dependencies and all that, you can also use that -auto-remote terminator, so it will remove all the stuff. So don't worry about the commands, I will leave the link below so that you can get. Now again we can go in search menu, and you can see that there is a no terminator. So now in this video you can see that you actually learn how to install and remove this Terminator and what is the uses. As a developer, I must say you will enjoy with this application. So if you like this video and it help you, please hit the like button and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. And your subscription, your comment and your likes is always greatest motivation for us to make such kind of video which help you and increase your productivity in software development or coding and programming. So that's it for this video. We see you in next video. Till that, thank you so much. Bye bye.